Yeah, we have here, so
Alright, we have two
Jackie Chan House.
So let's all say happy birthday to our friends Aida and Kaden. Happy birthday.
Shrimp burger. Very nice. This energy is relaxing, having a good time with the moon ride. Start sleeping. Good. Try to wake up because I don't want to sleep on the floor. Alright guys. It's good to just come on a little vacation